Begonias get labeled as fussy because they seem to develop problems for no clear reason: spots on the leaves, sudden leaf drop, stems going soft. In reality, almost every begonia issue traces back to one of a few specific habits around watering and airflow. Let's start with the mistake that causes the most damage. Begonias have shallow, delicate roots that rot quickly in soil that stays wet, showing up as soft stems and leaves that suddenly collapse. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again, and always use a pot with drainage. This single fix prevents most of the sudden collapses people mistake for disease. A white, powdery coating on begonia leaves is powdery mildew, a fungus that thrives when leaves stay wet and air doesn't circulate well around the plant. Water at the soil level instead of over the leaves, and space plants apart so air can move freely between them. Removing affected leaves promptly stops it from spreading further. Most begonias, especially the colorful Rex varieties, want bright but indirect light, and direct afternoon sun scorches their thin leaves with bleached or brown patches. An east-facing window or a spot a few feet back from a sunnier window usually works well. But the next issue shows up in the opposite kind of spot. Low humidity causes begonia leaf edges to turn brown and crispy, especially in heated rooms during winter. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or running a small humidifier nearby raises humidity around the plant without overwatering the soil. This is one of the most common fixable causes of begonia leaf damage. A begonia that wilts quickly between waterings and seems to dry out faster than it used to is often root-bound. Check by gently sliding the plant out to see if roots have filled the pot. Moving up to a container just one size larger, with fresh potting mix, usually restores normal growth within a few weeks. Rex begonias in particular propagate easily from a single healthy leaf. Lay the leaf flat on moist soil and make a few small cuts across the main veins, then mist regularly. New tiny plants will sprout directly from those cuts within several weeks, giving you multiple new begonias from one leaf. So begonias aren't as fragile as their reputation suggests. They just need airflow, careful watering, and the right light more than most houseplants do. Get those details right, and the colorful leaves and blooms this plant is known for will stick around for years. If you want the complete guide with a troubleshooting chart for common begonia problems, it is linked in the description below.